Hello. Hope you're doing well today. What a beautiful day. You know, we have to live the way God wants us to live if we're going to be a child of God and live according to His Word. And in verse number 9 in 1 Peter chapter 3, it says, starting in verse 8, finally, all of you be of one mind, having compassion for one another. Love as brothers. Be tenderhearted. Be courteous, not returning evil for evil or reviling for reviling, but on the contrary, blessings, knowing that you were called to this, that you may inherit a blessing. The surest way to receive a blessing from the Lord is to be a blessing to others, not trying to get even, as it says, not returning evil for evil, but when you get evil done to you, you return it with good. And we do that God would do and what Jesus would do. It said, he who loves life and sees good days, let him refrain his tongue from evil and his lips from speaking deceit. We are to love them with the love that Jesus Christ had for you and I, as yet while we were yet sinners, He died for us. That's how much He loved us. And we need to love in the same way. And why? Because in verse 12 it says, for the eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and His ears are open to their prayers. But the face of the Lord is against those who do evil. The surest way to get a blessing, be a blessing. The surest way to get your prayers answered is to love one another, forgiving those who misuse you and take advantage of you or speak evil of you. Then God will still hear your prayer. But if we do back to them what they've done to us, don't expect God to hear and answer your prayer. Live the way God would have us to live. And remember, always remember, what would Jesus have done in this situation? Because if you're facing it, He's already faced it and showed us what to do while He was here upon the face of this earth. May God bless you.